Smokey.
Say it.
How many white girls?
What?
How many? Hold on.
How many white girls did you talk to at school?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
No, just say it.
You loud, Funky.
Just say it. Just say it.
How many? Stop. How many white girls have you dated?
Say, why can't you?
Why can't you?
Say the president's daughter.
No, I gotta go back.
Say, I'm sorry. Say the president's daughter just called you.
I'll say my cousin took my phone.
Just
I'll be like, hello. I'll be like, hello.
And you ain't even star 67.
Hello. I'm sorry. My cousin took my phone and dialed the wrong number. She was supposed to call Pizza Hut.
Say it. Bye. Love you.
This is love you. That didn't even work.